We're sitting and waiting is what we're doing right now. We had to get here super early for an interview with Grant Stitchfield on NRA TV, and now we're basically killing an hour until our next appointment, and the show's not open until, is it 8 or 9 that the show? I think it's 8.
I thought it was 9, but
I think it's 8.
know.
But at any rate, there you go. And now I'm sitting and playing video games on my phone because I'm a nerd. We're finally on the floor. Yeehaw, man. We had some appointments, but we're finally out on the floor. Gotta head over to the 511 booth, see Kuya Doug. Good start to the day. This is why I come to SHOT Show. I'm gonna tell a quick story on you. Talking to my wife on the phone, and we're hanging out, and I'm like, hey babe, this is what's going on, blah. Oh my God, it's Doug Marcaida. I gotta go by. Click. What are you most excited about? Tell me about where is Doug going? Man, this is gonna be the coolest thing this year.
I guess the coolest thing this year is the collaborations that I'm going to be doing.
Nice.
To be able to be blessed to share my ideas.
You're doing a Kali seminar here this week, right?
Yeah, actually I am. Think about it as a participant, right? You think about your own design. You create your design, you send it to us, we create it in a CAD drawing, then we show you what it looks like if it's made. So now you dreamt it, you get to see it, you get a 3D print out of it, you get to feel it, and then you get to train with it.
I mean, awesome, right?
That is a complete full circle of the whole thing. Unique thing that we're going to be doing. It's a first of its kind, and I'm excited to do it.
Rocking that party. We got here early because we had an interview this morning on NRA TV, and they wouldn't even let us in the media lounge yet. So I'm going to sit here and complain because I want coffee, and I'm a diva, and why isn't everyone kowtowing to me? Who do we run into? But the motorized wonder. What's up? What's up, Mr. Francis?
Now.
What's that?
Part Transformer.
Part
now.
Transformer, he's motorized. That's what's up.
More than EGI.
Important question of SHOT Show. When is lunch and what do we eat? Let's be honest. I'm hungry. You hungry? It's early too.
Time.
Yeah, we got up early.
Girl's really tall.
But if you look, so I have big hands. I don't have like monster hands, but big hands. So with the flush mount, you can see I have about 2.5 fingers on there. If I go to the one with the slight pinky extension, still a 10-round magazine, I've got full hand on that, full 3 fingers can go from there.
But wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more. This is a 12-rounder. Yeah. Now, and that's really not any bigger. I mean, it's tiny bit on the butt end. I have 13 rounds in this gun.
That's right, 13 rounds in a gun that's the same size as most of our competitors.
So a feel for you, a slight pickup, a wall, feels right about 5.5.
Yeah.
Is that close?
Yep, pretty close.
5.5. Something. I mean, you know, night sights out of the box. That's a nice feeling trigger.
Mason, what's going on?
So, I mean, we've been walking around the show. We stopped for lunch a little bit, taking a break.
Johnny Rockets had some burgers.
Like a 7.
I gave it a 9.
Yeah.
Mason's the Russian judge. Simon Cowell on those burgers.
Yeah. I didn't eat. I actually have a lunch later today with Pete Brownell, so I got stuff to do later. But still, I had some fries. Like I said, a 7. But Bullets here disagrees. So after this, I think, what are we doing? We're getting out of here. And
we're having a fist fight to settle our disagreement.
In the video?
No.
What?